Blessings. This afternoon, I have a sad story that I want to share. Stay with us for all in detail. It is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety, all the way to the end for understanding. So, in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro soon forward. So, this afternoon, once again, I'm the bearer of bad news because before us is a case involving a 19-year-old first-year female student and her boyfriend. His age was not given, but we can assume that he's also of that age group. It is said that he locked his girlfriend inside his room on the Mona campus of February 8th last week and gave her the horror adventure treatment. It took place on a senior block at the Georgia Laney Hall. She was intentionally punished as he deliberately applied the heat. This crazy looking young man decided that he has been cheated on emotionally, so it got to him mentally, and he decided to demonstrate his frustration literally by leaving some scars or some marks that can also be classified as tangibly. So he might get bun and he use a clothes iron to burn up the girl. This video is very graphic, cannot be shown on YouTube, but I saw it circulating in my WhatsApp group. I cannot control one's device and tell persons what to share or what not to share. So I saw the video in my WhatsApp and my Telegram group, and she's partially naked. People, it look bad, trust me. He make sure say he burn up her two body jaw them, her breasts, her face, her hands. Basically, this boy use the clothes iron and press the girl like clothes. Him full her up a tattoo. It is said that he locked her inside his room against her will for over 3 long days. So he held her hostage under a torture arrest and bun her back for all of the bun them she did a game. So a bun for bun. But there's a major difference. The burn he got is playing on his mind, while the burns she received, they are vividly showing on her skin. But it will affect her mind later to come. So she got it both ways. A physical torture that will lead to a mental trauma in the case of an after effect. Read through the psychology. After all, they are indeed university students. I don't know what they're studying, but him treat her like a lab rat. The iron literally walk through the flesh of this young lady. And I have something to say that might affect some of you women, but please I'm asking you to listen until I'm done. Because on this channel, you get the raw, undiluted exactness. The truth is the truth, right? And ladies, when you're committedly involved in a relationship with a vowed partner, please I'm asking you, don't cheat. If you see somebody else that you like and you want to give them a one piece, or in Jamaican terms, a one broke, break up with your partner before you give such man a broke. Break up before you go broke. Cause some man will break you up literally. Not all men can and will tolerate heartbreaks or infidelities. Trust me. And you have some trifling women that will promiscuously flirt around the place with multiple sex partners, changing them capriciously and thinking it is okay, it is not. With your actions comes consequences or even reactions. Because honestly, something is going to cool you down one of these days, whether it is an STD or a disgruntled man that you hurt or did wrong. So not because you cheated on Matthew and Mark and got away with it, that doesn't mean Luke and John are going to tolerate it. Most likely, they are going to flip, because no one can prove the universe wrong. And that is, every day the bucket got the well, one day the bottom are going to fall out. It is going to fall out. It is not if it will happen. It is going to be one of these lovely days in the coming calendar year. Stop, run, risk within your life. Including the females we claim say, uno a near amount of man, uno no want him, but him have things so no there with him. If I know STD go kill someone, a man. It sound bad for say so, but that's just the truth. And there is nothing the government can do to prevent or stop crimes like these. Because when a man make up his mind, he is now an adamant person. His mind make up his mind, anything or anything. So don't cheat on your partners. Break up before you go and make up with a next individual. That decision is way more healthier than to take the risk of cheating. Trust me. And this also goes for men. It goes both ways. So I'm talking to the females only. And I'm not justifying what this little fellow did. Because if I did me, then send for him. Maybe I would tell him to not see him. Because I can't go dash him somewhere far. They would have find Donnelly before them find him. Trust me. Looking at him right now, he's looking like a delusional little lad. A spoiled brat. So like I stated, the video is very graphic. It cannot be shown on YouTube. So I'm going to play it. However, you guys will only be able to hear the audio. So head on over to my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Text me on WhatsApp and Telegram. Ask me to join the group. And the video is basically inside there waiting. Here's the video. Listen. Be attentive.
That's the happy or them tired. No, what the fuck? That's a normal question. That's a normal press for body. You live on that. Ain't no way. We understand anybody who wants to. Yeah, man, about 10 birds upon the girl.
So, as you could clearly hear for yourself, those were the voices of some disgruntled individual. So, like I stated before, text me on WhatsApp, text me on Instagram, ask me to join the group, and you'll be added. The video is basically inside there waiting, and there you have it. So, please remember that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way you will be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.